My eyes are burning so bad. Oh god, let me try to fix it. Hey. Okay, so I'm gonna make some mango salsa. I have never made mango salsa before, but we're about to try to make some now. I got a recipe online, kind of read a recipe. Yeah. So they said a mango, some lime, of course, jalapeno, which I'm kind of worried about because since my surgery I can't eat too many hot things, so I'm gonna be slight with this. I'm gonna put a little bit of jalapeno, not too much. Okay. They said red onion. Oh my god, I totally changed this damn recipe. They said red onion, but I don't really want red onion, so I got some shallots because I figured it was like kind of close. And then some cilantro. And we're gonna go ahead and start this. So I'm gonna watch a video. That's why I have my headphones on. Let's see if you can see this. You can't hear anything. It's just in music. So I'm gonna watch this in you, and I'll be back eventually. Bye. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward through this, but here I am gonna chop up my mango. About to chop up my cilantro. Now I have to chop up my shallot, which of course originally was supposed to be a red onion, but it's all good. Go ahead and slice my lime, squeeze some of the juice in a bowl, mix everything together, and also add in my jalapeno. I'm just going to add a little bit of jalapeno because I don't want it too spicy. So I'm just going to mix all that in and maybe add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, that's kind of dark, but that's fine. I'm gonna try it, so let's take a look at it. It's a mess. Yep, it's a mess. But this looks so good. It's good. It's really good. It's so good. And I think tomorrow it'll be even better. Like once the flavors can like marinate and stuff. And the reason I wanted to make this was because I also put a piece of salmon in the refrigerator, so I wanted to try to make a small piece of salmon and add this on top. I remember being in Texas, there's this place called Cheddars, and this is what I would get all the time. I get a salmon. It was like a mango salmon, mango salsa salmon. I don't remember, but I remember getting it all the time. That's all I ever ate. And now I'm going to try to recreate it, except it's just going to be salmon. Okay, yeah, so Cheddars, hey, what's up? I'm sweating. Can you see this? Focus, there we go. You see that sweat? Oh, I'm sweating. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Also, I just left from my mom's house. Why am I so close? I just left from my mom's house and she made some greens. She doesn't know this, but I'm sure she'll find out when she watches this video. But can you see them? I took some greens, Mom. And yeah. I just wanted to say that. I got some greens. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Sarah, come here. So the boys are here. And I'm gonna get them to try the salsa. To the camera.
I want some coffee.
No. Oh my gosh. No more coffee. Here, take a check.
Where's the dip at? No.
Oh my god. I can't do everything. Hold the bag. Okay, that's just a chip. Don't get too excited about the chip. This is the dip.
Flowers. So why?
You don't want to try it? It's mango salsa.
I don't like mangoes. They're nasty.
You don't like mango either?
No.
Oh my god. Then I'm... Okay, they're gonna try it. Make sure you get some, like...
Oh.
Make sure you... Oh my god. Let me try to do it for you.
I don't like it.
Oh my
Again.
gosh. Oh
They
my
make
god.
me sneeze. Ew! They're nasty.
It's not nasty.
Ooh, actually it's good.
But how does... Can you tell me how it tastes?
Well, like mango.
It tastes like what? Jalapeno? Is it spicy? No?
No.
Sir?
They're sour.
You're not saying anything.
No.
Is it good?
If you eat a regular one, it's so sour.
Okay, the boys are done being dramatic.
I'm gonna slap that camera down.
I thought the salsa was good. And I guess I'm the only one that's going to be eating it apparently. So that's all I'm going to say. Hey, don't eat up all my chips because those are for my salsa. Okay, I'm going to make my salmon tomorrow and I'll be back. I know the boys are going crazy about my salsa, but I'm really into it. So I'm going to go ahead and make my salmon now. I got the salmon here. It's just some salt and pepper, nothing spectacular. And I'm going to kind of hold it. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna just throw it in just like this. I probably won't keep it on here for 7 minutes, but I'm gonna check it in 7 minutes and see how it looks. Okay, I'm pretty sure that it's all done. Oh, perfect timing. I know it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. So I kind of opened it up a little bit earlier. Like I let it go for like 7 minutes, and then I opened it. And I cooked it for like a minute more. This looks so good. And I'm so excited to try it with the salsa. So let's see. Are we in there properly? Hopefully I can pick it up. It's so good. I have some rice on this one. Okay, so now I got it. Ah, it's hot on the bottom. I want all the little salmon I can get. So I feel like that, maybe to some people that will be like, oh my god, that is a little piece of fish, but that's probably like too much stuff for me. And here's my salsa. This salsa was so good. I should probably be using a spoon because then I can get some sauce on it. And I'm gonna add. Okay, there. That's way too much, but it's fine. All right. Let's see if I can do it. I guess I don't need to. It's gonna be good. Like, it's probably gonna be hot, but it's gonna be good. Maybe it won't be so hot because of the. Oh my god. It tastes just like Cheddars. This is so good. Okay, so yes, this is so good. This is really good. We got some sweet tea in my favorite cup. And the boys are still there somewhere, back there somewhere. Watching TV, chilling. I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna go. So thanks for watching us. Thanks for watching me make some mango salsa and mango salsa salmon. Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey everyone. Bye.